All right, first you're going to take your FWA02. You're going to take it out of the box. This will be your first step in setting up your failover solution. From that, you're going to make sure to open the SIM slot and insert one of your cellular SIMs. Once that's done, you're going to set it to the side. Inside, you're going to find your power adapter and your antennas. And from that, we're going to take and we're actually going to install the antennas.
So once you have all of the antennas plugged in, then you can go ahead and add the FWA to your InCloud account. So all you have to do is get the InCloud app on your phone, and you can go ahead and scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. And you can see, you can add the device.
Now that we got the unit put together, we're going to go to the IT closet. You're going to find a place to install it in your rack, attach your power, connect it, and flip the switch to power it on. Once all your lights have come on, right, now you're good to start working and tying everything in. So in this traditional setup, as you come closer, you have a router that can do firewall and also manage access points and switches. All this wiring comes down to the cable modem or fiber modem. So for failover, it's quite simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take out the Ethernet cable and you're going to plug it in to your LAN 2 port right here. With that, you're going to also take the Ethernet cable that you had connected to the internet, right, previously, plug it in that exact same port, and then you're going to plug that into your WAN LAN port 1. And just like that, in a couple of minutes, the devices will sync up, and you now have a 5G failover solution.